What's up, team? Fullest. This is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up My Canal. So today I'm here to do another AliExpress hair unboxing for you guys. I told you guys I wanted to pick another straight hair. Already picked it up. It was on its way. So now the hair is here. Shipping was very fast. I opened the package just to see if the hair is complete. Everything looks nice, and yes. So the hair comes in this plastic. It was delivered by DHL. Delivery was very fast and very quick. So it comes in this plastic, and when you take the plastic out, this is the hair company. This is the same hair company that I bought the first straight hair that I did an unboxing on. I'll put that video right here if you guys have not seen, somewhere here or there. And this is the same company where I got this wig. I love that first wig so much that I said, you know what, the delivery was very fast. The customer service were really nice. So I decided to pick up another curly wig from there. This was a little bit expensive compared to the rest. It's a little bit expensive. This is a curly wig. So this is the wig. Comes in this plastic and this bag. What do you get in here? Here you get hair elastic. Every time I buy a wig, I always get elastic for those elastics, so you can put it on the wig inside the cap so that you have more secure. And then I'll always get eyelashes and this Kiss Me hairbrush, hair or something, hair accessories. So this wig is 26 inches. Yeah, it is 26 inches. It's a curly wig, so you know curly wigs are, because of the curls, it doesn't get super long, so I tried to make it a little bit longer. So I get 26 inches. This is 13 by 4, if you guys know what I mean. But this is what the wig is looking like. Let's remove this net cap and show you. This is how it comes in. I haven't even used it yet. I haven't even played with it yet. As you guys can see, the curls are beautiful. The curls are really beautiful. It's really nice. It's a full laced front. Let's remove this. Let's remove this thing here. It's already plucked. But yeah, I normally don't really pluck hairs because I don't really know how to do it that much, so I don't want to destroy my hairs. So it comes plucked. So this is what the wig is looking like on the inside. It comes with 3 comb, 1 hair, and 1 at the back, and it also comes with adjustable elastic. Yeah, pretty nice. This is, I think, 170 or no, 150 or 180 density. I'm not too sure, but I will put it for you guys on the screen. And this one was a little bit expensive. It was 175 180. I'll put the exact price for you guys here on the screen because I can't remember how much it cost, but it's really nice. So this is what the curls is looking like. I can't wait to try this on. This is 26 inches and it's super nice. It feels so soft. You can actually part this in different ways. I wanted actually to buy a straight long wig and a short one, a different color, and a French cut wig as well. So now I have a straight one. I have the one with the mixed colored, and then I have the French cut. I also have this one, and then I have another red hair, and then I have another black one with green mixed color. So I do have a couple of wigs to be changing around. I did see another curly one, like afro, which is like till hair. I really want to get that one too, but that one is next year, because all these 4 wigs that I've picked up now, I've spent like, I can't remember, because all of them, because this one 175, the other one was like I spent maybe like 700 to 800 euros this month of December on hair. I'm a little bit ashamed to say that. I don't want any family member to come across this video. But yeah, I've spent like 7 to, I'm gonna say 8, maybe 800 plus if I'm not mistaken. for all the the hair. I've got all 4 of them, and I also get some accessories. I also pick up this brush. I use it on this hair today. It's really help when you have a straight hair to have something like this. It's really help. And this I also got it from AliExpress. It warms very quickly. It has 3 settings, especially when you have it or when you have it on the 3rd setting, all 3 of them, it gets hot really nice, and it lays the hair super. You guys can see how my hair is laying down like laying down so straight. Like, this is what I use to like make sure everything is laying. And this thing gets really hot. If you don't be careful, you're gonna burn your skin, you're gonna burn yourself. But it's like, actually this part of the hair, this is not really this part. When the hair gets tangled, with this one, when it's hot, it's just like, it just make everything so easy. It's just brush everything really nice. So I picked this one up as well because I really wanted to have something like this. I've saw great reviews on it on YouTube, so I thought, let me just pick also something like this to give it a try. I do have 3, maybe like 1 curly wig, and all the rest are like straight wigs. So I thought something like this would be really nice. I use the got to be gel. The one in the black container is the one I use. Just put a little bit. I didn't lace. This one is also 13 by 4 lace front, so it's you have lace all the way, but I didn't glue all this down. I just glued, I think, from here to here is what I just glue, because it's like, yeah, it's not moving. And I also had this elastic band inside, similar to this one. I sew it myself inside, so it does have another extra protective. So yeah, so that's the reason why I decided to pick this one, and I really love it. Honestly speaking, I love this comb, this warm comb. I've never used this before in my life, never. I know in Africa I used to see stuff like this in Africa, but my mom never really used it on my head, so I never used it. But when I was trying it today, I almost burned myself because that's how hot it is. And yeah, I'm super excited for this hair. I can't wait to try it. I can't really wait. With this one, before ever, I don't think I'm going to wash it. I want to first use it. It doesn't really have any bad smell. It doesn't really have, normally when you buy hair, it have this really factory smell. But this one, no, maybe I will soak it with a deep conditioner before using it. I'm not too sure, because I always like to wash my hair before using it. But the lady kind of give me some instruction on how to use it. You don't need to use it put a lot of products in it. Just hair mousse. You just put hair foam on it and some conditioner. I'm going to this shop to check for products for curly hair, and so that I can able to use it, and it looks really nice. I love the curls, and this is how the inside is looking. Curly wigs are more expensive than straight wig. I don't know, but I don't like the first straight wig I bought was a little bit not cheap, but it was a little bit. This was like 180, 185, I don't know, but it's a little bit expensive. But yeah, I can understand because of the curls and everything. But this is really nice, and this one also have a lot of space. This one do have a lot of space compared to the other ones. This one do have a lot of space at the back. It do have a lot of space for the hair. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm super excited. I can't wait to try this. I can't really wait. I'm going to fix this myself. I'm going to be cutting my lace myself. It do comes plucked, and it also do come with baby hair all the way. It has baby hair. This is human hair. This is 100% human hair. That's the reason why I buy it, because I really wanted to try some human hair. When you buy, one thing about human hair, they're really expensive, but when you buy it, you can definitely have it for a longer period. Somebody like me who do not wear wig all the time. I feel like this is going to last me a long. The reason why this few months, few days I have been obsessed about wanting to wear wig is because I've cut my hair and I'm now relaxing my hair. So you guys know relaxed hair is a little bit fragile, it's not strong, and now we are in the winter season, which of course it gets cold. When my hair is on its natural stage, it's very sensitive to the winter. So I can imagine my hair being relaxed in the winter season. It's just not a good thing for me. So that's the reason why I'm like, you know what, let me just get some wig so I can be changing around. I don't have to be wearing the same wig all the time. So I'm happy that I was able to pick 4 of them. I feel like I've given myself this Christmas a lot. I really gift myself a lot this Christmas. I gift myself some shoes, some clothes, hair. I think I've spent a lot on myself this month. This December, November, I've spent a lot on myself, and which of course I well deserve it, even more than that. I deserve even more than that. But I've spent a lot on myself, and which I'm kind of happy, because sometimes, you know, you take care of everybody. Sometimes you forget yourself, you know. You forget about yourself a little bit. Sometimes it's good to do self-care, self-love, self-treatment, self-pampered. So I've done that this month, and November and December, I've pampered myself a lot. And I'm really happy for that, because sometimes you'll be like, okay, I want to take care of everybody, make sure everybody's okay, and I'll be the last person. But I'm a little bit selfish I have been a little bit selfish this few months, which of course is nothing bad being selfish. Take care of yourself. It's good, you know. I'm a little bit selfish, like, you know what? Me first. So yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really happy that I was able to, you know, just spend on myself, because I deserve it. I work hard for it, and I feel like I deserve it. I feel like I deserve every single dime. I deserve even more than that. Okay? So yeah, this is it. I'm super excited. I really love it. I can't wait to try this hair. I don't want to mess up this one in my head. I've never really put on some curly wigs, so I can't wait to see myself with a curly wig. I know I look crazy. You see the baby hair? It's already parts. It already have some nice parts and some, yo, this is so cool. I can't imagine seeing myself with some curly wig. I'm super excited. If you guys want any information about the hair, you guys want to know where I got it, let me know. I'll pin it for you guys in the comment box if you guys want, or you can send me a DM on my WhatsApp. I do have a WhatsApp number which is on the description box. Let me know there. I'll send you the link, which is more easier to just click if you guys are interested, only if you're interested. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like. I haven't even wear the 2 wig that I bought. That's how I am sometimes I want things, not that when I buy them I'm going to use them immediately, but sometimes I just like to buy stuff so that when I have the money, I like to buy, so that when I'm ready to use it, the time I want it, I don't need to stress myself about buying it. That's just how I am. I know that's how I am. It's very crazy, but that's just how I am. The 2, I haven't even wear it yet. So, but I'm just having it there. I know I'm going to be needing it. Just that the day when I'm going to be needing it, I don't need to stress myself about, oh, I need to buy a wig. I already have it. So yeah, this is it. This is the curly. This is so beautiful. So nice. The curls are really soft. They're really bouncing. But yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, I've messed up my hair. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye.